Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Black Edition Pro-Tec Towing Jacket, so stay tuned. So just over 2 years ago, I was at the NEC show when Protec launched the towing jacket, and I was quite impressed with the product from the word go. So much so that I pre-ordered one before my Caravan even arrived, and I've been using it ever since. So this one is the Black Edition, and there is now 4 colours to choose from. There is the traditional blue, the green, there is a pale grey, and there's also the black. So let's have a look at it in a little bit more detail, and I'll also show you how to fit it and get the best experience from your towing jacket. So before we actually fit the towing jacket, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the front of the Caravan. Now it may have been in storage like mine for quite a while, and it's got rain on it and dirt, so the best practice is to actually clean the front of the Caravan before you fit the towing jacket. So let's do that now. So now that we've washed it, we're going to give it a quick rinse. So taking a soft microfiber cloth, we're going to dry the front of the van off. Now if you have a day that's dry the day before you go, then it'd probably be best to come down to your storage yard like me and actually wash it the day before, get it ready. But if you're at home, obviously you can do it as and when you can and put your jacket on once it's dry. So now we've got the actual front of the Caravan nice and clean and dry, we're now going to fit the towing jacket. So let's get it out of the bag and I'll show you how to fit it. So I've taken the towing jacket out of its bag now, and this is the actual inside of it, and it feels like a little bit fleecy, but it will protect the front of your Caravan and prevent scratches, providing you've cleaned the front of your Caravan first. So let's have a look at it in a little bit more detail. So as you can see there, we have the outer edge of the towing jacket, and on either side you have a piping system which fits up the awning rail on either side of your Caravan. Okay, so when fitting the towing jacket, I like to actually have the inside facing away from me. So you feed it through your awning rail like so. Now bear in mind, you need to keep this inside part as clean as possible and as free from grit as you can. So now the towing jacket is fitted to the awning rail, nice and snug, and we're ready to fit the other side. So now we're going to take both halves of the towing jacket and bring them together like so. And what we're going to do is zip it up. So now we've zipped the front up, we're now going to fit the elasticated clips to underneath the valance, like so. In addition to the elasticated clips that you fit underneath the valance, as I've just shown you, is also this double clip strap. And what we do with this, we clip it to either side of the A-frame and tighten it up so it gives you a nice secure fit around the A-frame itself. So that's the towing jacket fitted to the Caravan. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes all in. I appreciate that this might seem a little longer, but this is an instructional video and I wanted to show you as much of the features as possible. We have the centre heavy duty zip, and we also have a protective section which protects the Caravan from the zip so it doesn't rub on your window. The other section here in the middle is made of a stretchy material which allows it to flex, so that when you're actually travelling down the motorway and it's moving with the wind, it gives it a little bit of flex so that it doesn't pull it too taut and could cause any damage. Now, Protec will tailor make your towing jacket to fit your make, model and year of Caravan. Now, one option that you can have is this, and that is the grab handle cover. Now, on my Sprite Major 4 SB, it is here. Now, this is, like I say, an option you can either opt in or opt out of. Now, I personally think it's a good idea because should I have to manhandle the Caravan at any point, I've got instant access to my grab handles without having to remove the cover. Now, another feature of the towing jacket is this clear plastic window that they fit to your Caravan. Now, if yours is like ours and it has LED running lights, this is a great feature because it allows you to continue to use your running lights whilst towing in the dark or in inclement weather. Now, one of the features I really do like about the towing jacket is its flexibility. You can actually gain access to your locker at the front of your Caravan by undoing the zip from the bottom. If you remove the clips and the valance clips, you can take this section, peel it back, and it will fit like so. So what you can do now, if we do the same on the other side, you can now gain full access to your Caravan locker. So how do you keep your towing jacket clean? Well, it's very simple really. What I tend to do when I arrive on site, if it's still raining, I leave it on, allow it to dry, and what I do is I access the locker as I've shown you and I set up my Caravan. Once it is dry, I take a small soft brush and I brush it down at the front, get any debris off it. Now, if there's any heavy stains, I don't worry about that, I just wait till I get home. I then use a small capful of non-bio washing liquid in some warm soapy water and use a sponge and sponge it down and just hang it on the line to dry. So why buy yourself a towing jacket? Well, it's quite simple really. You need to protect your pride and joy. This will protect it from road traffic, dirt and film. It'll also protect it from minor little stones. I mean, it's not going to stop a brick going through it because it's material, but at the end of the day it's going to keep it clean so that when you arrive on site, your pride and joy is worth looking at and it looks pleasant and you don't have to waste time actually cleaning it so that you can get on with the rest of your holiday. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you join the channel soon, and in the meantime I'd just like to say bye for now.